let it float away, float away, float away. Yeah, I'll let it float away. I'll let it float away. I'll let it float away.
Yeah.
Go all the way, just enough to the.
Hold on.
Yeah, you're gonna have to feed it to him because he didn't.
Oh.
What are you saying?
Maybe. That's good. That's good. Now let her down.
Let it down, boy.
So we're taking the sail down because we're going to be here a couple of weeks and the sun will deteriorate the Screecher because it does not have a UV protector on it. So we always just take it down and we put our hanging chairs up where it goes.
I like how you say we take it down when you're sitting there.
This is called we.
What's in the voice
You
doing?
freaking know what you're doing.
They're fighting over.
Here, we're bringing it down.
See if you can bring it down on the right side.
Hold on.
Wrong side.
Hey! Oh, wrong side, you. There you go. Dad, you're like negative today. Mr. Negative.
Negative Nelly.
I'm going to take you to negative 10.
I think you're like negative.
I'm going to go to negative 10. Don't go to negative 10 on me.
Hold on, Finn.
Oh look, I'm in the shadows.
Far from the shallow.
Shallow.
Oh, this is the wee part of that.
That's the wee part.
This is the wee part of putting up the sail.
And then Kate, how are you helping?
Jack?
Are you the cheerleader?
Go Jack and Dad and Finn.
She's a cheerleader.
Go team go! Go team go! Down the floor, out the door, go team go. I'm not that smart.
I like challenges.
I wasn't born yesterday.
I like
but last night
challenges.
was pretty
You
close.
spoiled me too much. I like challenges. And then aneurysm.
Alright, Finn, get the other end.
I'm going. Don't worry about me. I got it.
Alright.
Wrong.
This is too much.
On the outside.
You know what? I quit sailing. I'm leaving this.
Mutiny!
That's what she thinks you've got it right.
So what now?
We declare mutiny.
Today we're out here at the Sandspit in Mermaid Reef at the Rowley Shoals. And if you want to find places like this that we go to kite and some footage you're about to see, then you should check out PredictWind Local Knowledge, because we put in all the places we go to, the best kite spots, best swimming, snorkeling, you name it.
Hop over to predictwind.com, log into your account, and on the left-hand side, you'll find local knowledge. Add a filter and scroll down to Sailing Zatara. Here you'll find all our favorite places, from dive spots to anchorages to skate parks even.
It's my sister! Ah! Sister love!
Oh my gosh.
Stretch out.
Yeah, there you go.
Back 360 first try.
Oh, not bad.
Nope.
Not bad. That was like a 4.
Actually, Mom, lay that down some.
What? Are you gonna do a backflip?
Are you kidding me?
Oh.
And remember, PredictWind Local Knowledge.
What Jack said.
Hallelujah! PredictWind!
Yeah!
You want to refill it knowing it's got a leak?
Well, we got to put oil in it.
Is that enough?
Yeah, and then the funnel is. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, we got water in the oil. Don't know why. It's a major problem
In the dinghy.
in the dinghy.
Not in the
We
big
felt like the engine was kind of sluggish,
one. Yeah.
and so
His
Somehow.
intuition was right.
Yeah.
oh, that's what's in the oil.
What is that?
Oh, it's chunky.
Oh, yeah. Wait, hold. Oh,
that
that's
water
gross.
is
What is that?
Yummy.
It's like
It's just water
Crisco.
and oil.
What's
Crisco.
Oh yeah.
Salt water and oil.
I'm gonna run the engine. I'm gonna put it back down. I mean, obviously there's a problem because there's a head gasket or something that's allowing salt water to go into the oil. So something is, but there's not been any overheating events. The water still comes out of the P thing, so the impeller's good. Everything's good on here. There's been no overheating events. So,
You want to throw this in that Ziploc bag?
yeah. So I don't know what's going on here to cause water to be in the oil.
So what are you doing to resolve it? Just drain the oil and...
I'm gonna drain the oil, and then when we get back to Dampier, I get a hold of Highfield and Honda and say, hey.
Draining the oil and putting new oil in it.
Yeah, so we put some new oil in it, but that's not gonna fix the.
The water getting in it issue, yeah.
Yeah, another paper
Just
towel.
hold on one second.
Okay, we're gonna go diving today. We're gonna check out the, where are we going today? The wall again?
Just the wall, I'll do a longer wall dive.
The longer wall dive.
The longer wall dive.
Sorry, don't care about it.
We're coming. See you soon.
Look at that.
So the current's coming out of here, and it's hitting this in here.
Bloody hell, man. It's pushing that wide. Pushing that wide.
Nothing but smooth sailing.
Getting ready to go on the scuba dive.
Let's go!
Mom's down there.
Okay.
Dad's right there.
Yep, I gotta push this.
Now I have to carry your dinghy around and sitting here in the dinghy alone for like half an hour, 10 hours.
Yeah. You got.
Ivan, you ready to go down?
Ivan!
Bob, you and Dad are buddying.
Yeah, I'm just telling you, we're going down.
Yeah, I know.
Good
Bye,
Lord.
dude.
Bye, bye.
What'd you think of the dive, Jack?
It was pretty good.
Yeah, did you get cold or
Nah,
bored or?
it was
Nah.
pretty good.
Look at that.
It's fun when you got your friends diving with you.
Yeah, too many people on a dive. It gets a little congested. People start running into each other and finning each other and getting things caught up and tangled up.
I found a nautilus shell! A very deep sea creature! And it's very, very well preserved!
Well, sure.
Yeah! That's great.
This is high tide here at Mermaid Reef, and given that there's about a 3-meter difference between low and high tide, which is almost 10 feet, low tide is dangerously shallow and can be quite problematic, as we experienced just the other day.
A little bit.
Okay. There we go.
See, basically straight through.
Looks like it's getting a little deep. Once we get past these
Yeah.
little heads right here.
Good.
Scrapey, scrapey.
You guys can go ahead, I'll stay here tonight.
You just sleep out.
We're gonna start a GoFundMe for Fence
24-hour
Shorts.
challenge on the reef.
How did the engine do on our dive today?
I guess it did okay, but I mean, it's got water in it.
Yeah. Still working.
Okay, hop on, guys.
Many of you guys don't know what hitting rocks is like.
Well, we've been here at Mermaid Reef now for about 6-7 days. Great kiting, great diving. It's a wonderful place. But we're a little disappointed. We had 10 days out here, and we're having to leave about 2 days early because that dinghy motor has got oil or water in the oil, and I want to get that sorted because that's going to really hamper our plans for leaving Australia if we go to the Maldives or wherever we might be going. So we've got to get that sorted, and getting that fixed in Dampier could turn out to be a big problem since it's so remote. So with that being said, we're just getting the boat ready to go. We're going to go to Imperieuse Reef in the morning, which is about 55 miles away. That'll leave about 220 miles to do Monday and Tuesday. Should get back into Dampier, the anchorage there about Tuesday evening easily. Pretty good winds on Monday and maybe a little Tuesday for sailing. So kids are putting up the screecher. I'm putting scuba gear up, putting kite gear up, putting the dinghy up, and it's time to rock and roll.
After 30 years of living on this boat, untie the halyards and put them on. Sheets, not halyards. Untie the sheets and put them on. Oh, yeah.
Don't pull on that kid.
I want to give a shout out to John Kelly. Thank you for the towels. I know I haven't mentioned it, but we use them all the time. They're all over the boat.
Boom. You go right.
Well, they really are all over the boat. I think a couple are in the hamper, the rest are in the kids' rooms. We use them all the time.
There.
Thank you, John.
Thank you, John.
So, we're getting ready to head to the next place tomorrow morning so that Dad doesn't have to wake us up tomorrow morning. So we have to do it in the morning so we can sleep while Dad does all the hard work.
In the morning.
In the morning.
Tomorrow.
Thank you, Dad.
Pulling up the shade.
Hey,
Hey.
while I'm doing this, I just wanted to say hello to Shane and Jan Cook out of Lubbock, Texas, old family friends of ours, and my Aunt Ella Rose. I believe Jan probably babysit me when I was a little one, still dragging off of my mama.
Oh.
No mask?
So here's an interesting story. Yesterday, while Keith was flying the drone and getting some gorgeous shots of this beautiful Mermaid Reef, he came across something large and white floating on the reef. As he started to realize it was a whale carcass and tiger sharks were feeding on it, his battery died, so he didn't get any great footage of the feasting sharks. Well, today as we're leaving, we see Mr. or Miss Dead Whale apparently made it off the reef as we passed him floating outside the pass, and the huge tiger sharks enjoying a massive buffet. Chances are this humpback was either killed by an orca, a killer whale, their only other natural predator, or maybe it was hit by a boat, but most likely it died of old age. He could have been up to 40 or 50 years old. And hey, if you're running a drone in Australia, always make sure to stay at least 60 meters away from whale sharks, whales, killer whales, dolphins, dugongs, and seals, so as not to interfere with or impact marine mammals. Run into the reef.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
Hello.
Hey. There's our ball.
Go more to port.
I have very
Get over here!
yummy sneezes.
Okay, you get it.
Yeah, boy.
There
That's
you
right,
go.
Boy. You better get that boy. Well, I'm gonna beat you.
Get it. Pull it.
Yummy. I had to do that last time. I had to put my hands on all that yummy.
Chill right there. It's good. I don't want to touch it. Boom. Nice. That's pretty gross. That is gross.
I
Okay.
don't know. It looks really yummy.
I'm gonna
Drop
eat it.
the sail.
Vegans be like,
What'd you say?
Gotta drop the sail.
Oh, why is the main still up?
Oh.
Hold on, let the
leave it up all night?
Yeah.
Can you see my thumb?
No way.
Yellow dropping sail. This is gonna get caught on everything. This is terrible.
now.
Do you think that's healthy?
Doesn't hurt nothing.
You sure?
Yeah. Then jump up here and stack this main.
It ruined my beautiful sail dropping segment.
Oh, can't help you there.
Could you put it back up and drop it again?
No.
Oh, it was a joke.
Actually, Jake, you can leave it right there. We'll leave it like that for the night.
That doesn't sound like a great idea.
No, we will, because then it's already past the dills. It's fine.
Okay.
Okay, so that's it.
Yep. All right, we'll wrap up this session with a little Q&A.
Are Jack and Lily still dating?
No.
No.
Maybe. We don't know.
From all the questions I get, maybe we are.
Watch till the end of the video to find out.
Check-in Tuesday, 13 Tuesday. We're gonna be going back to Dampier. Don't know what it's gonna be about yet, but we'll figure it out.
It'd be amazing. We could
Could-
sink.
We could sink the boat. I could drill a hole in the bottom. You could die.
Good content.
The Z-Man!
Take me away from
Let it
home.
float away.